Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Embassy Green Shore, which is located in Sadahalli, North Bangalore, a project developed by Embassy Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers, so book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So I'm standing in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of the project, and the land parcel is just in few meters right from the here. So this internal road of the township will take you towards the land parcel in few meters. Now let's start with the project overview, and the project is spread across 14 acres of land parcel consisting of 8 towers with each tower of basement, ground plus 18 floors, and this project provides you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK with different variant premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Navratna Agrahara Road close to Prestige Tech Cloud in Sadahalli, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the internal road of the township and the entrance is right here just behind this road. Now about this road will connect you towards the NH 44 in just few meters and towards the Prestige Tech Clouds. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So NH44 is just 8 minutes away, Prestige Forum Mall is 10 minutes away from the project. Dudhajala Metro Station is 12 minutes away and Prestige Tech Cloud is 5 minutes from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like of gymnasium, kids play area, jogging track, grand clubhouse, swimming pool and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So this project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK with different variants premium residencies, where 2 BHK is of 1200 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1750 to 1850 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 2200 to 2600 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site. So our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat and the actual land parcel of the project as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Embassy Green Shores, which is located in Sadahalli, North Bangalore, a project developed by Embassy Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.